did. It did like a third damage.
Oh, excuse me.
It's set to 25% damage too. Alright.
Don't move.
Okay. Build a wall. You can't build a wall. But he's. They're not close enough.
You have to. Nuke's the one recording, so it doesn't.
I was
matter that
confused.
much
Alright.
right now.
I got it this time. I wasn't ready. Alright.
Did we build the walls at the same?
Oh, no, no!
Okay.
What?
Dude,
Did I do
yeah.
it? I slid over to the other side on my screen. Ah.